Hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Aries from general love reading for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of August. Okay, keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also, and third thing, this is a reading from 19 till the 25th of August. I told you, I think. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Aries, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the moon card. Okay, someone is kind of scared in the situation, or there's a lot of fear attached to the situation, or someone might be feeling like you're hiding something from them. You are being secretive, you are being extra secretive, or you might be doing something behind their back that might hurt them in some way, shape, or form. Okay, there's kind of suspicious energy kind of thing going on right now from this person's side. Okay, or they are in this energy of if you will get to know something about them, it's going to break your heart very badly. Take it how it resonates with you, but there's some kind of secretive and suspicious kind of energies from this person's side towards you right now. Yeah, they're holding on to some kind of secret. They're holding on to some kind of secret. They're holding on to some kind of maybe there's a holding on to some kind of fear or some kind of secret. Maybe this person is not completely single, or they feel like you are not completely single, or that you are involved with some other energies. I don't know if this is the truth or not, but they have their suspicions, and they have this energy of, I know something is wrong, I know something is off in this connection, I know something is not making sense in this connection. This person right now is kind of very heartbroken, very sad, very depressed, because either they got to know something about you, or they are having assumptions, or they are living in some kind of fear that you're hiding something very big and huge from them, and it might break their heart if they will get to know about it. Take it how it resonates with you. The roles can be reversed also. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? Let's see what's happening. Devil card. Okay, this is not a healthy card. This is not at all a healthy kind of energy. Again, it could be possible there could be third party interference in the situation, or you feel like this person is too obsessive, too possessive, too much interfering in your life, and this is not healthy. This is not good. Okay, let me clarify the devil to get the clear picture of what you feel about this particular person or energy. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, and the Lovers. There is definitely a third party involvement in the situation, either from your side or from this person's side. And you feel like because of this third party interference in the situation, things are not working out, even if you guys are trying your best to work things out between you and them. For some of you, both of you are married or committed to some other people, or but at least one of you is attached to some other energy as well, and things are not working out. For some of you, Aries, it could be very much possible that you are in love with two people at the same time, and you're not able to understand which direction you should choose, or somebody else is keeping you as an option. They're not leaving you, and they are not even uh, staying with you. Wow, I hate third party readings. I hate third party interference kind of readings. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? So your guards are up, your guards are high, because there is some kind of a big ass challenge in the situation, that an obstacle in the situation that you guys need to let go of, but you guys are not able to do that for some reason. For some of you, third party can be your family, can be your caste, can be your religion, can be some cultural differences. It could be anything, but for most of you, it is like one of you is connected to somebody else also, and there's a lot of conflict going on between you guys because of that. Let's see their intentions. Ace of Swords. This person wants clarity. This person wants a naked truth here. It's like, I want the clarity, I want the honesty, nothing more than that, nothing less than that. The blunt honest truth. Let me clarify the Ace of Swords. We have the Hanged Man, the Empress, the Three of Pentacles. Yes, this person is not going to proceed further in this connection until unless they are going to get the 100% clarity, 100% truth, and the clear cut picture of the situation between you and them, like what's going on, what are your plans, what's going on behind their back, what you are up to, what you are hiding, and what you are saying is the truth or not. It's like this person wants, either they want to give you the 100% clarity and surety and everything crystal clear on the table so that you guys can come back together and make this work out, or they want the same from you. Again, take it how it resonates with you, but there's definitely third party interference in the situation, and a lot of clarification, a lot of misunderstandings are happening, a lot of miscommunication is happening. So clarification is required, big 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 time, for this connection to work out, if you guys want it to work out. But this person does want it. I think this person does want this to work out. That is why this person wants the clarity and the truth, and they want to make it very very clear between you and them. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? Three of Swords. You want to heal. You just want to heal yourself first of all, and then you want to heal this connection. Like Three of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Lovers, Devil, Moon. What is going on? You tell me, Aries, what is going on? This situation is not healthy at all. At all. Let's clarify the Three of Swords. You want to get out of this pain. You want to get out of this heartbreak, this energy of feeling the pain continuously because of the situation. Yeah, it's not working. Oh my God. You want to work on the situation. You want to work out on the situation of letting go of the third parties out of this situation slowly but surely and heal the connection. First of all, healing yourself. You have a plan to let go of the unhealthy attachments, the unhealthy kind of the connections and relationships that are hindering, that are creating obstacles and challenges between you and this particular energy. It's like two people wants to come together, but there are lots of obstacles and challenges, romantic third parties, sexual addictions, other options, commitments, other commitments. Oh my God, this is becoming a very unhealthy kind of a reading, and I am not liking it at all, Aries. If it is your reading, I'm really sorry about this. You get to need your shit, you need to get your shit together and then work on this unhealthy energies as soon as it's possible for you. Get out of this if you are in this situation, because it's not going anywhere, it's leading to disaster only. Fuck. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 25th of August, Aries. We have the Five of Wands. Yeah, a lot of drama, a lot of drama. Be prepared for some kind of drama coming your way. It could be possible a third person is going to like call you or text you or talk to you or tell you something about your person, and it's going to create a lot of drama, or you are going to connect with somebody or somebody is going to talk to your person about you, and it is going to create a lot of drama, a lot of chaos, a lot of misunderstandings. My goodness. You will get to know about a third party here if you don't know. Either you will get to know that your person is already married, already committed to somebody else, or they are involved in other connection or other relationship as well, or somebody is trying to interfere in this connection between you and them so that they can create the conflict and the drama and the chaos and the situation between you and them. I don't understand what the hell is going on. I have never seen this much of third party energy cards in one spread only, in one reading only. Three of Cups, Devil twice, Three of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Lovers. Oh my God, Moon, Tower. Somebody is trying to break this connection between you and this particular between you and a person that you're dealing with. But I don't think they are all completely lying, but they are not completely honest as well. There's something missing in this puzzle. There's some missing piece of the puzzle that you need to sort out in order to sort the situation between you and this particular person. I'm not saying your person is 100% honest or truthful or loyal here, no, but might be somebody is trying to add some kind of more wrong informations or wrong energies into the situation to make it worse. This is very very complicated, beyond complicated. Sort it out as soon as possible, Aries, and get out of this situation as far as you can, as soon as you can, and heal yourself properly before saying yes or no to this connection. Yes, don't work in infatuation only or attraction only. This is a highly unstable situation. You need to learn each and everything about this particular person or situation before moving forward. Again, until unless you are going to get the 100% loyalty, honesty, and truthful and clear cut energies out of this particular person or situation, you should not move forward. Not even an inch, not even an inch, I'm telling you, because it's going to cause more disaster, more damage than anything else. So it's better to get out of the situation, learn more about the situation, and then only move forward, because it's going to create more disaster, more of negativity than sorting it out. I don't think so it's going to be sorted until unless you're going to learn about this particular person or situation completely, like 1000%. Don't move even a single inch. Oh my god, I'm sorry about this, but this is heading towards disaster, chaos, and conflict. Sort it out as soon as possible. It's a warning reading, I think. It's a warning reading for you guys. Oh, it's giving me headache. Anyway, so thank you so much. It's like my head is literally spinning in this reading right now. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.